yeah, I'm kind of excited about this situation or whatever. So, hey y'all. Y'all know that's my favorite thing to do. I'm so weird. Anyways, I did my hair and it took me about, I'll say like 6 hours. I was watching The Handmaid's Tale or whatever, and I was just doing my hair. Okay, let me show y'all what I used. And I'm actually gonna take one of these down so y'all can see how to do it. It's literally so freaking easy. Okay, first I washed my hair and I did like 5 cornrows back here, so going straight back, and then all these are individually crocheted in. So the back section of part of my hair is braided down straight back, and then I just crocheted in. So I'm gonna show you how to do the crochet one in the back part, when you just crochet it in and twist it, and then I'll take out one of these in the front to show y'all how to do it. So this is the hair. It's FreeTrees braiding hair. It's the Bohemian braid because that's really all they have at the beauty supply store, because I'm sure everybody and their mama like this hairstyle, so they're like, well, let me get cute real quick for the summertime. So this is how the hair comes out. What I did was I took 3 of the already formed curls like that, and I kind of made it split up, so just to do that, evened it out at the bottom, and then I went ahead and just went like this to kind of break them apart to make the twist thicker. And then, and I can't remember how much this hair was a pack. I bought 7 packs of hair, and I still have a whole bag, and this is what I have left from the 6 pack. So it's very, this is not expensive hairstyle for you to do on yourself. Now if you go to somebody else, honey, you're gonna be spending a whole bunch of money. All right, so if you notice, I separated it, grabbed my little crochet needle, and remember I told y'all the braids back here are going straight back. So these are all plaits, and then back here is just going. So what I do was I take this, go underneath my braid, and I twist it a little bit just so that I don't make sure it'll hook through. Okay, move that out of the way. All right, so then the hook part is up. I place the hair in, close the latch, pull it through, and just to make it easier on myself, I literally just hook all the hair, onto this one latch, and then I pull it straight through. Pull it, and now I'm ready to twist. And if you know how to do like a little plait, this should be so easy. And honestly, you can tighten it as tight as you want, and it still would like unravel a little bit, which I like the messy look. Like if you notice, like this one is all loose and curly, and some of these, like I like that. It looks like better, like that messy. So I get to the end, and I just like make sure it's even when I'm plaiting the hair. This, y'all, you could do this in your sleep. Okay, not really, but this is a very easy hairstyle, especially if you do the crochet like braids in the middle and then the perimeter crochet it. Okay, so then I got the end, and I just did that, and so that's basically what it looks like. Wham bam. Voila. Okay, so I'm actually going to redo this one. Like, I like this messy look, but I'm gonna redo this one. So like I said, this style was so freaking easy, and obviously the takedown is gonna be easy too. It's like, look, you're already done it. Okay, so and I did the rubber band method on it, so you could tell I just popped my rubber band, trying to maneuver it out a little bit. And I'm actually going to use new hair just so I can show y'all the full thing. So obviously a comb, this Softee coconut oil. Use me some little edges, Hicks edges control later. Denman Brush. I use a clamp to move my hair out the way. Some Eco Styler gel. Okay, so first I made sure to oil up my little scalp because your girl's scalp is like dry business over here. My hair feels really soft too. So, and then I just spread that. Ooh, your girl hair is soft, honey. All right, so then I went ahead and I used a rubber band. And yeah, I know people don't like rubber bands. Rubber bands break your hair off. Who said to do it tight? Don't do it tight. Duh. Okay, so I'm gonna take a rubber band and I'm going to go ahead and put this part in a rubber band. And no, it is not tight. I wet my hair because it blends really well. Once I wet it, and I twist it together because it kind of like molds together. Okay. And then I'm going to take some Eco Styler gel. And yes, I'm natural. So brush that through. Okay, so now I'm about to get ready to twist. Okay, so same thing I did with my crochet. Just with the regular crochet, not the individual one. I'm gonna take 3 pieces. So 3 separate curls. Split this up. And I try to like bend one a little bit longer and then still even it out. Okay, so made it a little kinky. Separated them. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go this way so that I can cover up the rubber band. And I'm gonna take it right here, put all the hair on, close the latch, and if you notice, I'm just pulling in that one side. So then I'm gonna make it even. Split the hair down the middle. Tighten it before I split. And then just start twisting it. And then I would just take some little Eco Styler once I get to the end of my hair to make sure that it's kind of locking with the here to see. But even still with that, it still looks bomb. So I'm starting to get to the end. So I'm gonna just split this one up to make it even. Okay, so this is the end of the hair. I'm being lazy, so I'm gonna go ahead and put some Eco Salvage gel on this so that it'll kind of help lock. And then I'm gonna let it go. And that's basically what it looks like. They are super lightweight, and they're freaking great.